Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need an admin account and a pro/enterprise/education build because Home lacks gpedit by default. Once signed in, press Win plus R and run gpedit. MSC to open local group policy editor. This is faster and safer than registry hacks. Make sure to expand computer configuration, then administrative templates, then system, and finally removable storage access. You're doing this to centrally control USB mass storage behavior. This prevents unauthorized file transfer and reduces malware risk, which is why policy changes are preferable to ad hoc deletions. Now you'll set the specific denial settings. Double-click all removable storage classes, deny all access and choose Enabled. This blocks mass storage devices outright. If you need granularity, instead enable removable disks, deny read access and removable disks. Deny write access separately, which lets you tailor read versus write permissions. Once done, click Apply and OK, then run gpupdate/force in an elevated command prompt to apply immediately. This method centralizes enforcement and avoids unintended user-level workarounds. Finish by forcing a policy refresh. Open an elevated command prompt and run gpupdate/force, then test with a USB drive to confirm blocking. If the device still mounts, make sure there aren't conflicting device installation restrictions allowing a specific device ID, and verify no software overrides exist. As a last resort, you can disable the USPster service or uninstall the mass storage driver. But document these changes and notify users because driver removal affects all USB storage. One key troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.